In 2026, denim trends are changing in a huge way. And honestly, some jean styles that used to feel fashionable are suddenly making outfits look outdated and less polished. This year, fashion is moving toward denim that feels more elevated, effortless, and quietly chic, with silhouettes that instantly make an outfit look more modern and refined. From the jeans trends women are finally leaving behind to the styles completely taking over in 2026, today we're talking about what's officially out, what stylish women are actually wearing instead, and the denim trends that make every outfit look instantly more elegant, expensive, and current. Number 1. Dragging denim hems. Overly long, pooling denim hems are officially out in 2026. The extra fabric dragging on the floor and covering the shoes was popular for a while, but now it's starting to look messy and unintentional instead of stylish. Fashion is shifting toward cleaner proportions and more controlled silhouettes. Instead of wide-leg jeans that puddle at the ankles, the trend is moving toward tailored wide-leg jeans with a perfect break, cropped wide-leg denim, and full-length styles that just graze the top of the shoe. These updated fits still give that relaxed, flowy effect, but they look much more polished and structured. Paired with sneakers, loafers, or heels, the new wide-leg styling feels more intentional, modern, and put together for 2026. Number 2. Washed-out denim. Overly washed-out faded denim is officially falling out of trend in 2026. The super bleached, heavily worn look can make outfits appear messy and less refined, especially compared to today's cleaner denim direction. Instead, fashion is shifting toward dark indigo denim that feels richer, sharper, and much more elevated. This deeper tone instantly upgrades any outfit, giving it a more polished and intentional look without needing extra effort. It's also far more versatile, working perfectly with basics, oversized shirts, and structured pieces. In 2026, denim is all about depth, simplicity, and a more refined finish, and dark indigo jeans capture that perfectly. Number 3. Denim jacket. Overly structured, stiff denim jackets are starting to feel outdated in 2026. The heavy, boxy silhouettes can look less modern compared to today's lighter and more versatile layering pieces. Instead, the denim jacket trend is shifting toward denim shirts that feel softer, more relaxed, and easier to style in different ways. A denim shirt can be worn open like a light jacket, layered over basics, or buttoned up for a cleaner look, making it much more flexible for everyday outfits. This updated approach keeps the denim aesthetic, but in a more effortless and modern way. In 2026, fashion is all about comfort, versatility, and easy layering, and the denim shirt fits that perfectly. Number 4. Excess flare jeans. Flared jeans with extreme bottoms are starting to feel outdated in 2026. The overly wide, dramatic shape at the hem can overpower outfits and make styling less clean and balanced. Instead, fashion is shifting towards soft bootcut jeans or subtle flare jeans that feel more modern and wearable. These updated styles keep a slight opening at the bottom, which still gives a flattering leg lengthening effect without looking exaggerated. They're much easier to style with sneakers, heels, or boots, and they work perfectly with both fitted and oversized tops. The overall trend in 2026 is all about clean silhouettes, effortless styling, and jeans that feel polished but still comfortable. And these softer flares fit that direction perfectly. Number 5. Busy printed jeans. Bold printed jeans are starting to feel outdated in 2026. Heavy, all-over graphic denim is losing popularity because it can look too loud and hard to style in everyday outfits. Instead, fashion is moving toward more refined statement prints, like leopard print jeans in softer tones, subtle animal textures, or minimal print accents that feel more wearable. Leopard print denim, especially in neutral browns or faded finishes, is becoming the new standout piece, because it adds personality without overpowering the outfit. Paired with simple tops, basic knits, or oversized shirts, this updated print trend feels more balanced, modern, and easy to style while still giving that statement fashion edge. Number 6. Baggy jeans. Baggy jeans are officially out of trend in 2026. While oversized denim has been everywhere for the past few years, fashion is now moving towards silhouettes that feel more structured and intentional. That's why barrel leg jeans are becoming the new go-to trend. They still have that relaxed and comfortable fit people love, but the curved shape gives outfits a more elevated and fashion-forward look. Barrel leg jeans add dimension without looking too oversized, making them much easier to style with fitted tops, cropped jackets, simple basics, and even heels. Instead of extra-wide denim that can sometimes overwhelm an outfit, 2026 fashion is leaning toward sculpted shapes, clean lines, and modern tailoring that feels effortless but still polished and stylish. Number 7. Skinny jeans. Skinny jeans are officially taking a back seat in 2026. After dominating fashion for years, the super tight silhouette is starting to feel a little too restrictive and outdated compared to today's more effortless denim trends. Fashion right now is all about comfort, movement, and relaxed styling, and that's exactly why straight-leg jeans are becoming the new everyday essential. They give you that clean, balanced shape without looking overly tight, and they work with literally everything, from oversized blazers to basic white tees and sneakers. Instead of spray-on skinny denim, people are leaning into structured straight-leg fits, relaxed vintage washes, and mid-rise cuts that feel timeless and elevated. The vibe in 2026 is less about ultra-fitted jeans and more about easy silhouettes that look cool without trying too hard. If you still want a flattering fit, go for slim straight jeans, classic blue rigid denim, or slightly relaxed ankle-length styles. They instantly make outfits look more modern, polished, and fashion-forward. Number 8. Tight denim dresses. Overly tight, body-hugging denim dresses and ultra-short mini denim dresses are starting to feel outdated in 2026. The super-fitted, restrictive styles can look less modern compared to today's relaxed fashion direction, where ease and structure matter more than clingy silhouettes. Instead, the denim dress trend is shifting toward oversized shirt dresses, structured A-line denim dresses, and belted midi styles that feel effortless yet elevated. These updated silhouettes create shape without clinging to the body, giving a more balanced and flattering look while staying comfortable and wearable all day. The focus is now on clean lines, better proportions, and relaxed elegance. Modern denim dresses are all about looking put together without trying too hard, a perfect reflection of 2026 style. Number 9. Faded denim. Dirty, muddy, and faded jeans are starting to feel outdated in 2026. These washed, worn-down tones can sometimes make outfits look flat, less fresh, and harder to style in a modern way. Instead, fashion is shifting toward clean, white jeans that feel sharp, bright, and effortlessly elevated. White denim instantly upgrades an outfit and creates a more polished, put-together look without trying too hard. It works with everything from basics to structured pieces, making it one of the most versatile denim choices right now. In 2026, the focus is on clean contrast and fresh simplicity, and white jeans are leading that trend. Number 10. Patchwork jeans. Patchwork jeans are starting to feel outdated in 2026. The mixed panels, contrast fabrics, and busy detailing can make outfits look less clean and harder to style in a modern way. Instead, fashion is moving toward clean, monochrome denim and the rise of denim-on-denim looks that feel more intentional and stylish. One of the key tones leading this trend is dark indigo denim, which creates a rich, cohesive outfit when worn top and bottom. This matching denim-on-denim approach feels modern, polished, and effortless when kept in the same shade or similar washes. It's a simple way to make denim look elevated without needing extra details. In 2026, the focus is on clean styling, tonal outfits, and timeless denim combinations. And dark indigo denim on denim fits that perfectly. Number 11. Overly embellished jeans. Overly embellished jeans with chains, rhinestones, and heavy decorations are starting to feel outdated in 2026. The extra details can make outfits look too busy and less versatile for everyday wear. Instead, fashion is moving toward minimal detail denim that feels clean, modern, and easy to style. Subtle stitching, simple washes, and small refined accents are replacing loud embellishments. This type of denim works better with both casual and elevated outfits, giving a more polished and effortless look. In 2026, the focus is on simplicity and timeless style, where the jeans themselves make the statement without needing extra decoration.
And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you a little inspiration to elevate your style and embrace elegance in your everyday life. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and join me for more timeless style tips in the next video.